Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to stop OBS from dropping frames due to rendering lag. Rendering lag happens when OBS cannot allocate enough graphics card power to render its own scene layout before encoding it, but capping your frame rates and lowering canvas demands immediately solves this bottleneck. First, close OBS Studio completely. Right-click the OBS Studio shortcut icon and click on Run as Administrator. This forces Windows to allocate dedicated GPU resources to OBS instead of letting your video game starve the software of rendering power. Click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the interface layout. Look at the left side category menu and click on Video. Locate the Base Canvas Resolution drop-down menu and make sure it matches your native monitor display resolution. Click the Output Scaled Resolution drop-down menu directly below it and drop it down to 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080 to heavily reduce the GPU's rendering load. Click the Common FPS Values drop-down menu and change the setting from 60 to 30 if your graphics card is severely overloaded. Next, look back at the left side category list menu and click on Advanced. Locate the General section block at the very top of the panel. Click the Process Priority drop-down menu row and change it from Normal to Above Normal to give OBS a stronger processing position. Click Apply and click OK at the bottom right corner of the panel to save your updated rules. Finally, open your video game settings layout, turn on VSync, or set a manual frame rate cap to leave a small buffer of GPU headroom for OBS to breathe. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.